Crunchy.
Do you like it?
It is. It's good.
Yeah.
I just eat chicken feet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I don't know. Let's see. I just ate the finger of a chicken. No wonder I didn't know. Do people eat that?
Oh, it's got like a limey, like a really citrusy flavor in there. And noodles with like a lemon. So is this pho?
Good job.
Nice. It tastes so good.
Seaweed.
Oh, you good?
I love seaweed.
Ah.
Ooh, it smells a little salty, a little fishy. Tastes like seaweed.
It is exactly right.
I love seaweed.
I don't think I've ever had this before. Can I look?
Yeah. Can you taste
A shrimp cracker. Yeah, I can. Oh, these are really good. Worth having.
Okay.
Okay. This, I don't know. This has like no flavor whatsoever. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's like, I can't even tell. Like, it doesn't have a whole lot of flavor to it. What's it used for? Grass jelly. Why? Why'd you do that? This doesn't seem like something you'd normally just like pop out. It's like, is this for like parties or something like that?
It's a coconut ice cream. Wow, this is amazing. Is there more?
Yeah.